In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos in Framer. First, open your Framer project and head to the canvas where you want the video to appear. With the page in view, open the Insert panel. You can do this from the toolbar or with the Insert button inside the Canvas interface. In the Insert panel, scroll or search until you find the video component. Then click it to add one to the page. Drop it roughly where you want it. You can fine-tune the position in a moment. With the video layer selected, look to the right sidebar. Under Type, choose how the video should be positioned. Use Absolute to place it precisely inside a frame or section, or choose Fixed if you want it pinned to the viewport, like a hero video that stays in place while you scroll. You can switch between these and adjust alignment to get exactly the layout you need. Next, set the source. In the video settings, you'll see options for URL, upload, and file. Pick URL if your video is hosted elsewhere and paste the link. Choose Upload to add a new file from your computer. If you've already uploaded media to the project, File lets you reuse that asset. Tip: keep files optimized. MP4, H.264, with reasonable dimensions helps pages load quickly. Now configure playback and appearance. Toggle playing. If you want the video to autoplay. Many browsers require muted autoplay, so consider leaving sound off unless the user clicks play. Use Fit to control how the video fills its frame. Cover crops to fill. Contain shows the full video with potential letterboxing. Set start time. If you'd like the video to begin at a specific moment. Turn controls on if you want built-in play-pause UI. Add a poster image to show a thumbnail before playback starts, which is especially helpful if autoplay is off. Adjust radius for rounded corners to match your design system. You can also explore overlays, cursor, and styles in the sidebar to refine hover behavior, pointer style, shadows, and other visual details. For advanced interactivity, you can create variable to bind video properties, like playing or controls, to a variable group, such as homepage variables. This makes it easier to coordinate video behavior across sections. If you're using interactions like scroll-driven effects, you can connect these via scroll sections or manage behavior in code overrides for custom logic. When you're happy with placement and settings, preview your page. Finally, click Publish, then update to push the changes live. Your Framer site now